Hello everyone. I hope you all are keeping good health. In this video, I will explain you percentage. Let's start with an example. There are two girls, Anita and Rita. Anita's marks is 320 out of 400 and Rita's marks is 300 out of 360. Can we say that the first girl has done better as she got 320 marks, whereas Rita got only 300 marks? No, we cannot decide who has done better by just comparing the total marks obtained, because the maximum marks out of which they got the marks are not same. So we cannot say that Anita's result is better, as the maximum marks is not same. So to compare them, there is another way of comparing quantities, which is percentage. So percentage are numerators of fractions with denominator 100. Percent is derived from Latin word percentum, meaning per hundred. So here the word cent means 100. Percent is represented by the symbol. Here percent means hundredth. 1% means 1 upon 100. Similarly, 3% means 3 upon 100. 5% means 5 upon 100. How will you write this in decimal? As there are two zeros in the denominator, you can write it as 0.01. Moving to exercise 8.2. Convert the given fractional numbers to percent. Whenever a number is given to you, whether a fractional or a decimal, and if we are supposed to convert it into percent, just multiply the given value by 100% and you will get the answer in percent. Why we can multiply it by 100%? Now what do you mean by 100%? 100% means 100 upon 100, which will finally give you 1. Multiplying any number by 1 will not change its value. So, to convert the numbers, we will multiply it by 100%. Here the first fraction is 1 upon 8. Multiply the given fraction by 100%. Check for the cancellation. The common factor is 4 here. 4 twos are 4 25s are. Here 25 has 1 as the denominator. Multiplying numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator, you will get the answer as 25 upon 2%, which you can further divide and write the answer in decimal as 12.5%. Next is 3 upon 40. Again, as we are supposed to convert it to percent, we will just multiply the given value by 100%. Now again the common factor here is 20, 2s are, and its 5s are. Again multiplying the whole to the numerator, you will get the answer as 15 upon 2%, which you can further divide and write the answer in decimal as 7.5%. Again, the fraction here is 2 upon 7. Multiply it by 100%. Here no cancellation is possible. So multiplying 100 by the numerator, you will get 200 upon 7. It's not possible to divide completely 200 by 7. So you can divide it and write the answer in mixed fraction form as 28 4 by 7 percentage. Convert the given decimal fractions to percent. Although here the question is changed, but we are supposed to convert again the given value into percent. So we will multiply the value by 100%. Multiplying any value by 100% will not change its value, as 100% means 1. 0.65. Multiply it by 100%. Multiplying a decimal number by a multiple of 10. We are supposed to shift the dot towards right as many times as there are zeros. Here there are 2 zeros, so we will shift this decimal point to place right. And finally, you will get the answer as 65%. Again, multiplying the next number by 100%, we are supposed to shift a point to place right. But on the right of a point, there is only one digit. To make it 2, you will add one more zero to it. And finally, we'll get the answer as 210%. Again, multiply the given value by 100% to get the answer in percent. Shift point to place right as there are 2 zeros. Answer will be 2%. Question number 3. Estimate what part of the figures is colored and hence find the percent which is colored. First, you have to figure out the colored part and then you have to convert it into percent. Here, we can say that this figure is divided into 4 equal parts, and out of 4 equal parts, only one part is shaded. So the fraction is 1 upon 4. We are supposed to convert this fraction into percent, so we will multiply this fraction by 100%. 4 ones are 4 25s are. Finally, you are left with 25%. So 25% of the given figure is colored. Next figure, there are 5 equal parts. Out of these 5 equal parts, only 3 are shaded or colored. So we can write the answer as 3 upon 5. Converting this fraction into percentage means multiplying the given fraction by 100%. Here the common factor is 5. 5 ones are, 5 20s are. And the answer will be 60%. Question number 4. Find 15% of 250. Whenever we will write this in the equation, here we are supposed to replace percent by upon 100 and off by multiplication sign. Moving term by term, starting from left. 15% means 15 upon 100. Of 250 means into 250. Now start performing the cancellation. 0, 0. If the zeros are there in the numerator and denominator, try to cancel them out first. It will make the cancellation easy. Now you are left with 10 25, 5 twos are, 5 fives are. No more further cancellation. Multiplying 5 with the numerator, you will get the answer as 75 upon 2, which you can further divide and write the answer in point as 37.5. I hope you all know how to divide the two numbers and get the answer in decimal. B. 1% of 1 hour. Now here we are supposed to convert hour into minute, or you can convert hour into seconds. It depends upon you in which unit you want to convert. First, I am using a conversion of hours into minute, that is 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So 1% means 1 upon 100, of 1 hour means into 60 minutes. Multiplying 1 and 60, you will get the answer as 60 upon 100 minute. Now, dividing any number by 100, as there are two zeros, we are supposed to shift a point toward left. Here, 60 is not having any point. It means point is after 0. Shifting it toward left 2 place, you will get the answer as 0.60 minute. Now let's suppose I want the answer in second. In that case, you will use the relation 1 hour is equals to 3600 seconds. Now, 1% means 1 upon 100. 1 hour means 3600 seconds. We will cancel the zeros present in numerator and denominator. We are left with only 36 seconds. 75% of 1 gram. In the first one, I am using it as it is. So 75% means 75 upon 100. Of 1 kg means into 1 kg. Finally, you will have 75 upon 100 kg. Without performing any cancellation, as there are two zeros in the denominator, we will shift the point toward 2 place left and you will get the answer as 0.75 kg. Now let's suppose if you want the answer in gram. So in the very first line you can write 1 kg as 1000 gram, which means 75% of 1 kg can be written as 75 upon 100 into 1000 gram. Cancelling zeros, and final answer will be 750 gram. Question number 5. Find the whole quantity if 5% of it is 600. You have to find 5% of which value will give you 600. So let the whole quantity be x. Now according to question, 5% of it means of x is means equals to 600. Now 5% means 5 upon 100, of means into x equals to 600. We are supposed to find the value of x here. We will shift this fraction to right hand side. Shifting this fraction to right hand side means shifting the reciprocal of it. You will get x as 600 and the reciprocal of the fraction, that is 100 upon 5. Now start the cancellation. 5 ones are, 5 20s are. Multiplying both the numbers 600 and 20 will give you 12,000. So you can write the final answer statement as whole quantity is 12,000. Moving to next sum. 12% of it is rupees 1080. Again, you have to find the value such that 12% of it will give you 1080 rupees. So let the whole quantity be x, and then according to question, 12% of the whole will give you 1080. 12% means 12 upon 100. Of x means multiply x, and 1080 will come as it is. Again, we have to find out the value of x. So we will shift this fraction to the other side. Shifting a fraction means shifting the reciprocal of the fraction to the other side. So x will be equal to 1080 will come in the first place as it was already there, and now the reciprocal of the fraction will get multiplied here. Start performing the cancellation. It's 12 ones are and 12 nineties are. Multiplying the numbers, you will get 9,000 as the final answer, which means here the whole quantity is rupees 9,000. Find the whole quantity if 40% of it is 500 kilometer. Again, assume whole quantity as x. Then according to question, 40% of x is 500. Now 40% means 40 upon 100. Of x means into x, which will give you 500. Here we are supposed to find the value of x, means shift this fraction to the other side. Now shifting a fraction means shifting the reciprocal to the other side. So we will get x as 500 multiplied by 100 upon 40. Now cancel 0 first. Then common factor 2. 2 twos are, 2 fives are. Again we can cancel them. 2 ones are, 2 50s are. Finally multiply 250 and 5. You will get the answer as 1250. So whole quantity here is 1250 kilometer. Find the whole quantity if 8% of it is 40 liters. Again, let the whole quantity be x. Then according to question, 8% of x is 40. 8% means 8 upon 100. Of x means into x equals to 40. Now, again, as we are supposed to find the value of x, which is on the left hand side, we will shift this fraction to the other side. Shifting a fraction means shifting the reciprocal of it to the other side. So we will get x as 40 into reciprocal of the fraction, that is 100 upon 8. Start performing the cancellation now. 8 ones are, 8 fives are. Finally multiply 5 and 100. We will get 500. So here the whole quantity is 500 liter. I hope the explanation is clear to you. We will continue with the same exercise in our next video. Thank you everyone. God bless you all.